Cordial greetings, my name is Francisca Lindes and I am going to present about a tourist place in the village where I live. The town of Lerma is a beautiful place located in the department of Cauca, municipality of Bolivar. A very tourist place in this place is the hill of Lerma. It is known for its beauty, for its height, for its landscape, because at the top of it you can see many places around us. A wonderful view that makes the visitor happy, and it has a diversity of fauna and flora. It is also a place recognized for its location, since the town of Lerma is considered a territory of connaissance and peace. This place has many myths that our ancestors tell and experiences that have been revealed in previous times. In conclusion, it is a very nice pair. This the means of transport used are motorcycles, but the place itself can be explored on two vehicles in the too small a town and to climb the hill it is a narrow path. The activities that can be carried out in this tourist place are the following: tour the town to learn about its culture and gastronomy. Take a walk to climb the Lerma hill, and before arriving, a stop is made at the nature reserve, where you will see animals such as monkeys and birds and take photos in that beautiful place. Continue enjoying the gastronomy, and you will have a wonderful experience in the richest waters of Cauca in the Sánchez River. Tourists can stay in some old houses of the Lermeños. Perhaps they are not very luxurious, but they have what is necessary, and the best thing is the humility of the people to serve them. The most tropical food of our corregimiento are delicious chicken sancocho cooked in fireboat, delicious dessert called cahuisca made with ingredients from the territory, natural and refreshing juices for some seasons, mazamorra, a very traditional dish that has history of our ancestors. Thank you.